I figured to document this EC155. I was hoping I could pull the top out. You don't need to remove that screw unless you want to clean that screen. You can, no big deal, I might do that. But there's the security Torx bits on the bottom, 4 screws. You gotta remove the base and you gotta disconnect these hoses here somewhere. And I'm gonna pull this all out. Because unfortunately, the way they designed this, coming around those 2 screws there for that front switch, this whole bracket unfortunately is connected, so you can't pull this off. In order to get these off, there's one nut on the underside, so you can't access them without taking the whole thing off. But at the same time, I'm almost like, I kind of want to drill holes on the bottom side so in the future for maintenance of this you can access. Ugh. Oh, and wound up being, this is pretty much just broke right off. So once I got the hoses off there, that's broke. So that's what's gonna have to be repaired. And then, you know, whatever the underside is on the inside when I pull this off. I have that documented. That's the pump and the underside nuts. Okay, here's the inside. I guess that doesn't look too bad. Assuming there's a washer that goes under this broken, I don't know what this is going to wind up being. Maybe that is just like a threaded rod, bolt with a hole through it. Inspect that out. That might need to be machined. Be recreated. Okay, well, it turns out this piece is brass and I cannot get a grip on it. It's probably gonna be, I mean, I might be able to put a screw extractor in there. I have a feeling it'll break. I might try that. And then the only other option would be, you know, pull this pin, pull the valve part out, the needle part, and drill that out, pick out all the threads and replace. I'm gonna see if I can get a replacement part, at least this lower part. If I can find that, I might just buy that. We'll see. It's a cost if I can find one.